For the update, yung shoot day ngayon ni Barbie kasama sila Rupa Gutierrez at Kaylan Alcantara. Yan for Beauty Empire. Magkakasama sila sa dressing room. Nakita yung background kulay purple. At magkakasama rin ng mga glam team nila. Nakalagay sa caption, "Get champion today, guys." You know. At sa post ni Rupa Gutierrez, sabi niya kay Barbie, "Excited to be working with the talented and ever versatile Barbie Fortesa for first time in Beauty Empire. Mark your calendars, coming this June 2025 on GMA Primetime and streaming on VU." Yan, sa June na, mag-i-start. Palabas sa GMA Primetime ang Beauty Empire. Yung kakasama pa nga sa isang table, ang 5. Tapos, ito ang 4-9 yung basic ni Barbie.
Well, first of all, we need 8 hours of sleep. Importante yan. Second is water. That is true, especially kapag mainit yung location, mainit dun sa lugar kung nasaan ka. It's very good to stay hydrated. And syempre, last but definitely not the least, 9 Young Basic Collagen Drink. Para talagang glowing yung skin mo. It helps with skin elasticity, and it also improves your health all over.
Yeah.
Hi everyone, this is David.
Kay David, yung abangan dyan. City Mall Antique.
3 p.m. Friday po yan sa City Mall Antique. Bring all your friends.
25 na yan.
Kag makita na sa City Mall.
Yun. Sa post
Hey
ng
David True
David
Family,
True.
first of all, I want to say thank you for making an effort to organize this event. I know na mahirap yun, kaya maraming salamat. And thank you for the support throughout the years. And galingan niyo sa lahat ng ginagawa niyo. God bless you.
Yeah. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more updates. This is with Shorty Action Live. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.